Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to actually apply these bubble letters that we've learned over the last few videos, where we put them together and form words. So let's say you're drawing a greeting card or a poster or whatever. So let's go ahead and let's draw the words bubble letters, since that's what we've been learning. And I'm just going to get started, and these are going to be kind of a little bit different maybe in style from the others that I showed you, but basically the same principles, where we make them kind of bulbous looking and look like they're balloons. So we've got a lot of bees here. So one thing that you want to remember is that this is kind of like a free, fun-loving kind of style, very carefree, definitely nothing strict or straight about any of this. So one of the things is you just want to keep it loose. The letters are gonna overlap each other, and just have fun. So one thing you could do is just write the letters from left to right and make each subsequent letter underneath the previous. Or what we're going to do here is we will kind of mix it up a little bit. So here, let's go ahead and start with the L. And here I'm going to draw the word letters a little bit larger. So here I'm going to draw the E underneath the L. And then here the T is actually going to be kind of on its own. And here, let me go ahead and start drawing the E first here this time. The next E. Okay, so now what we can do is draw the other T. And this time the T is going to be actually under this T as well as under this E. So by drawing ahead, you can then make the letters kind of change as far as who's overlapping who. And I'll just overlap here just a touch with the R. And finally our S. Okay. Notice here that I didn't draw the S where you can actually see the whole arm here. It's actually kind of hidden behind the diagonal part, the S. So next I'm going to go ahead and start drawing in the three-dimensional part of it, all these letters. Don't forget these areas here for these parts of the letters, like here for the L. So if the letter is overlapping another letter, you want to continue its three-dimensional part over the next letter, which is what I did here with the B. The B here over the L. And just try to be consistent with how you're going about your lettering here. Okay, here's the L, and I'm just going to do the whole L overlapping the E. Same here. Okay, so this T is overlapping this second T, so I'll continue that. And then here, this T is underneath this E. So I'm gonna leave the E whole and then continue with our shadows or three-dimensional sides. And here the R is overlapping the S, so I'm just gonna continue that over the S. And we've got the side of the S right there, the three-dimensional thickness. And now we can go ahead and draw in our highlights. Okay, so these are smaller letters, so I'm just gonna put in these circular highlights first. And you can add a couple here and here. And instead of drawing the full teardrop shape, I'm just gonna draw lines that kind of go on either side or one side of the highlight. Here I'm gonna make it a little bit larger. And now these letters are a little bit bigger, so I can go ahead and draw the whole teardrop shape secondary highlight. Here it's hidden under the T, so I'm not going to put in that oval highlight. Okay, so look at what I did here. I did a different type of highlight here where I kind of wiggled it. Whatever you want to try. And I'll add a highlight here just because it's kind of bulbous here, and maybe here. Alright, so there you go. An application for bubble letters. Just vary the overlapping part of it. You don't even have to overlap them. You can keep them fully separate, but what you could also do is kind of vary their heights so that the U may be a little bit higher than the B, and then this one may be lower, and just kind of make it, again, make it more playful. To me, this is more of a playful font or style, and so you don't want to make it perfectly straight or even, but if that's what you want, you can do whatever you'd like. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.